Welcome to Demarest.
I'm walking on a wire, burning in a fire. Nothing seems to change. It always ends the same.
With walk-in closets for the bedrooms like this particular homeowner decided to turn this very nice sized bedroom into an additional den/office, which now gives them 2 offices.
And time is moving slow. I'm afraid of letting go.
Let me show you the other bedroom. Beautiful light fixtures, freshly painted, super large windows make for a beautiful and absolutely comfortable bedroom. I also am a huge fan of the way this hall bath was designed. So this is an ensuite bedroom bathroom. You also have windows on both sides. Let's go. I'm going to take you to see the outside recreation space in this house because it's fantastic. All right, I'm taking you on a tour of the backyard staycation space for this spectacular expanded center hall colonial home in Demarest, New Jersey. You have this beautiful barbecue with a refrigerator so that you can grill, and you have a refrigerator out here. This is your dining al fresco area. You have another hangout space over here. Plus, you have the fire pit. If you want more information about this house or any other of our listings, just DM us, text us, reach out below. We'll send you all the information. I'm Stacy Esser. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.